Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make or to craft the brick serving cart in Heartopia. So Heartopia right now has a brand new event that called Modular Street, where you can cook special event foods. And to cook those event dishes, you will need a special cooking stations or cooking stove that called the brick serving cart. And here's how to craft it. First, just make sure you already uh, have the brick serving cart furniture recipe. This one, it will look like this. You can get this recipe from the event Game Pass level 1 rewards, so you can unlock it very early in the event. After getting the recipe, just go to your workbench and then tap on craft and then just search for the recipe. This recipe, brick serving cart, and then in here just collect or complete all the required materials. It needs stone and then rare timber and then modular brick material pack. And once everything is ready, just tap on craft like this and then just tap on hold to continue, and just like that, just wait for a moment and you will get the brick serving cart like this. After that, you can just start using it to cook special modular street event foods. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!